everyone, this is Merlin Sam and you are watching MS Vlog. Today I'm going to make simple mutton curry. This is one of my mom's recipe. Here I am using about 2 kg of mutton. First off, heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Once heated, add 3 medium-sized onions, thinly sliced, and add 6 or 7 green chilies. And add some salt and saute well. Add 1 tablespoon ginger paste and 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Add tomato. Saute well and cover it and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 3.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Add enough water to absorb all the flavors. It should resemble this. Add some curry leaves. The more the better, but I kinda came up short on curry leaves. So this is all I have. Then add the mutton, mix well and ensure you coat the lamb well. Add water. I have added about 1.5 cup of water or until your mutton is completely immersed in water. Cook for about 45 minutes to an hour in low flame. Stir occasionally. Here you have a delicious mutton curry that is super easy to make. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Also ensure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. To get notified right away, click on the bell icon. So until next time, stay safe, keep smiling. Peace out.